The SICK drive monitor has been designed to support safety-related monitoring of drives in both stationary and mobile applications. In this example, you can see a machine tool equipped with various SICK safety sensors. Safety switches and safety locking devices monitor protective doors and flaps. Various sensors are used to monitor the motion sequences in the machine. They include motor feedback with an additional rotary encoder or an additional linear encoder, as well as safe motor feedback. This is used for signal acquisition at the axis. Proximity sensors are another option. They capture redundant signals from the axis that are being monitored in the drive monitor. The machine tool is a typical example of the types of stationary machines that are often enclosed in the normal production process and, as such, do not represent a hazardous point. However, safe drive monitoring must still be used to make quick and safe intervention possible when workpieces need to be changed. Once the machining of the workpiece is complete, all drives move to a parked position. From this position, the drive monitor is able to determine that all drives have come to a safe stop and allow the protective door to be opened so that the workpiece can be changed. The blue line in the diagram represents the rotary speed of the cutter. The drive monitor detects a safe stop as soon as the green area is reached. At this point, the doors can be opened. The new workpiece can now be inserted into the machine. The drive monitor checks for safe operating stop and prevents the machine from restarting incorrectly. The drives do not have to be disconnected from the power supply. The machine can restart immediately without homing, having to be performed again. The drive monitor is also the ideal choice whenever the machine needs to be set up for a new workpiece. To avoid damage to the machine and reduce changeover times, it is important that the machine is monitored. Once the operator has inserted the new workpiece, setup mode is activated to check the new production steps. The machine can then be set up with the aid of the enabling switch with the protective door open and the machine operating at a safely reduced speed. Due to a fault, the machine tool accelerates and is safely shut down by the drive monitor. In the repeat sequence, you can see how the drive monitor shuts down the machine as soon as the permissible maximum speed is exceeded. Once the fault has been rectified, the process to set up the machine can resume. All drives are safely monitored and operate without errors, providing the ideal basis for efficient machine setup. Productivity also increases because the workpieces can be quickly changed. Once the machine has been successfully changed over for production of the new workpiece, production mode can resume. Drive monitor. Safe drives. Efficient machines.